Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Affinity Designer for fast logo iterations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Affinity Designer on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. Set your desired dimensions and hit Create. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Select the text tool to begin adding text to your logo design. Type your logo name in the text box that appears. Play with different fonts to find one that fits your brand style. Adjust the size of the text by using the handles around the text box. Next, explore the color panel to change the text color to match your brand palette. To add shapes, select the rectangle or ellipse tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the canvas to create a shape that complements your text. Use the transform controls to resize and reposition the shape as needed. Experiment with the Layers panel to organize your elements effectively. Select a layer and go to the Fill options to change its color or gradient. For more complexity, use the Pen tool to create custom shapes. Draw paths by clicking to create points and curves, then close the path. Once satisfied with your shape, adjust its color and position. For quick iterations, duplicate layers by selecting a layer and using Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. This lets you modify designs without starting from scratch. Utilize the export function under the File menu when you are ready to save your logo. Select your desired format, such as PNG or SVG, for different use cases. Remember to consider size and resolution for web or print needs. Click Export and designate a save location on your computer. Review your exported logo in the designated folder to ensure everything looks good. Continue to refine and iterate on your design until satisfied with the results. Feel free to revisit and adjust any elements in Affinity Designer as needed. Practice these steps regularly to improve your workflow for logo design. Now you are set to create and iterate on logos quickly using Affinity Designer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.